10 Most Practical Dual Sport Motorcycles. A buyer's guide, dual sport motorcycles stand out as uniquely versatile machines, blending on and off-road capabilities in a way few other vehicle types do. They offer riders the flexibility to commute, adventure, or tackle rough terrain without needing separate bikes for different purposes. This makes them especially valuable for those living in areas with less than ideal road conditions. The following list highlights 10 models that balance real-world utility with reasonable ownership costs. Some prioritize affordability, while others justify a higher price with enhanced features and reduced maintenance needs. All share the core purpose of providing capable two-wheeled transportation beyond paved roads. Entry-level and budget-friendly options: Yamaha WR125R, starting MSRP $3,999. The WR125R is the most accessible dual sport on the list, offering a low entry cost without sacrificing basic functionality. Its 125cc engine delivers around 94 mpg, making it economical for daily commutes and trail rides. Honda CRF 300L, starting MSRP $5,749. A legendary small-capacity dual sport known for its reliability and ease of maintenance. The CRF 300L's 286cc engine and lightweight design make it manageable for newer riders, while Honda's conservative engineering ensures predictable service intervals and widespread parts availability. Kawasaki KLX 300, starting MSRP $5,469. The KLX 300 stands out with upgraded suspension components, including compression damping adjustment on the 40-3 USD fork and adjustable rear shock. This level of adjustability is rare in this price range, making it suitable for both touring and aggressive trail riding. Mid-range versatility and performance: Beta Alp 4, starting MSRP $6,790. Beta's Alp 4 is a true 50/50 dual sport with a 348cc engine and 21/18-inch wheels designed for serious off-road use. It includes Bosch ABS, 2 riding modes, and a TFT display, backed by a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty. KTM 390 Enduro R, starting MSRP $6,049. The 390 Enduro R delivers the most power in its displacement class with 44 horsepower. Built on the 390 Adventure R platform, it prioritizes off-road performance with premium WP Apex suspension, switchable ABS, and smartphone connectivity. Suzuki Dr. Z4S, starting MSRP $8,999. The Dr. Z4S replaces the long-running DRZ 400S with a redesigned platform for 2026. The reworked 398cc single produces 38 horsepower and delivers smoother power delivery, aided by electronic fuel injection. Premium options for serious riders: Husqvarna FE 501S, starting MSRP $13,599. The FE 501S brings race-bred performance to the street with a lightweight design, around 256 pounds, and minimal electronics. Its focus on weight reduction makes it ideal for technical terrain, but requires more frequent maintenance. Honda CRF 450 RL, starting MSRP $10,099. Honda's CRF 450 RL adapts a motocross platform for street-legal dual sport use, offering 12 inches of suspension travel and motocross-level performance. It requires more maintenance than budget-focused models, but excels in off-road handling. Suzuki Dr. 650S, starting MSRP $7,299. The Dr. 650S remains largely unchanged since 1996, and that's why it is still a practical option. Its simple Arandoil-cooled 644cc single and carburetor-fed engine make maintenance straightforward, and parts availability is excellent. KTM 690 Enduro R, starting MSRP $13,399. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R receives comprehensive updates, including extended maintenance, Intervals, oil changes every 9,321 miles, valve checks every 37,282 miles. Its 692 7cc single-cylinder engine delivers the most power in a production road-legal motorcycle. Ultimately, the best dual-sport motorcycle depends on individual needs and priorities. Whether you're looking for affordability, reliability, or high-end performance, the market offers options to suit a wide range of riders and terrains. Choosing the right bike means matching its capabilities to your intended use and lifestyle.